This tutorial will show you how to remove background noise with Premiere Pro. First of all, click on this icon, select Effects. Now we have to search for a specific effect. Click on the search box, type here Adaptive, and you will get this effect, Adaptive Noise Reduction. Drag this effect on your audio clip. Once the clip update, make sure to select the audio clip and click on Effect Controls, and here we will get the effect. Now click on the preset next to the effect, and here we will get 3 different options. If your audio clips has heavy noise, then select Heavy Noise Reduction. So select any of them according to your audio clips. So that's how we can remove background noise with Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.